Here's how to lock your Facebook profile. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to open your Facebook account. After signing into your Facebook account, now click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then tap on your profile. Now click on the three dots or the more option. Here, as you can see, now you are not able to view the lock profile option. If you have turned on your professional mode, then you have to first switch it off to lock your Facebook profile. After turning off professional mode, now refresh the page. Here, as you can see, now I'm able to view the option of lock profile. Tap on it. After tapping onto this option, now click on the lock your profile. Now you have successfully locked your profile. To view it, tap on the more option or the three dots. Now tap on the view as option. As you can see, now my profile is locked, so this part was not recorded due to the privacy concerns. So that's how to lock Facebook profile.